may iba pa pinag-uusapan ng mga PBA fans ngayon.
Ano naman yung pinag-uusapan?
Ay, may bago kasing internet sensation eh. Okay? Yung tinatawag na Harlem Shake.
Harlem.
Narinig mo na ba yan? The Harlem Shake?
Alam mo, minsan, nadinig ko na yan eh. Nagpunta ako sa restaurant, in-order ko yan eh.
In-order mo?
Oo, akala ko inumin eh.
Hindi yan inumin.
Hindi ba?
Yan ay sayaw. Okay. We got collated tweets about the Harlem Shake. Ito, pinapakita. Ayan. Sabi ni, I think, John Petron, I'm very excited para sa Harlem Shake ng Active Center. Yeah, kasi pinilit tayo eh. I mean, it's not our thing, di ba? Hindi naman natin gawain to, but
alam mo, ayun, hindi ko ano yan. Seryoso, coach ako eh.
Sige, you know what? Pakita muna natin yung mga professional na gumawa ng Harlem Shake.
Sige.
Okay? Yung ginawa ni Joe Devance, si Joe Disco, at yung ginawa ng Air 21 na kumalat na sa internet, we'll share it with you right now.
Con los terroristas.
Do the Harlem
Con los terroristas.
So those are two excellent examples ng Harlem Shake. Excellent job by Joe Devance and a fantastic job by Air 21.
Yeah, props to all those guys. I mean, sa inyo, bagay yan, but I cannot do that.
Hindi, wala eh. I mean,
it's so, ma-degrade masyado yung profession ko.
yung credibility natin, we treasure
Oh, yes.
the credibility that it took us years.
I know. There's a limit to my humor. Ha?
May
There's a limit.
may hangganan.
Yes, oo.
May limit, may barrier.
Hindi,
There are lines that we don't cross.
please, don't ask me to do that. I will resign.
I mean, we have ethical standards
Oh,
here. I mean, okay, yung Air 21, they can do that.
Yes, kasi
Pakita
banding yun.
mo ba yung may brief sa ulo?
Sana hindi used.
Hindi after practice eh.
Ay, nako.
Hindi, so,
Si Rob Reyes.
si Rob Reyes palang promotor niyan. So, good job.
Hey,
good
Joe.
job. Oh.
Good job, Joe. I
Okay,
mean,
Joe, lupit. Okay, so, dahil pinilit tayo ng dalawa, no? Ng management. Eh, syempre tayo, susunod lang tayo.
I cannot fathom myself,
Doing this, wala eh. So, anyway, nag-advance apology na kami because it's, medyo half-hearted effort because it's not us, but pagbigyan nyo na po kami. So, here it is, the Active Center, Harlem Shake.
Serious edition ko to, serious edition.
I can't look.
do the Harlem
Con los terroristas.
Again, kita-kita nyo naman, napilitan lang kami. Halatang halata. And I'm ashamed.
Wow.
I wish we would have given 110%.
Kinunan pala ako doon. Hindi ko alam eh. Akala ko naman.
Napilitan lang
of
talaga.
tayo,
But, ganyan tayo. Kung ano ang hiniling ng taong bayan, we try our best to give it. I'm sorry, that's the best that we could do, but I hope we made you guys happy.
Yeah. Mamaya, meron pa isa.
Sobrang natuwa.
Oh, na yan.
Once again, we'll show you the Harlem Shake and then we'll start the second half. Petron versus Meralco. Napilitan lang talaga mo.
do the Harlem
Con
ang ating mga kasamahan. Dito po naman sa Araneta Coliseum.
May kasama tayo dito mga mascot.
Mga mascot dito. Aba, ito si Petron. At saka si Ilaw. Ay meron din pong Harlem Shake. Dito po sa Smart. Araneta Coliseum. Okay. Tama na. Ganito na lang yan. Wala pong...
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Petron, thank you.
Ang pinakamahirap po doon ay kung bisisiki dito na dalhin yung Harlem Shake.
In fact, these shirts that you're seeing now are featured.
Meron na naman.
Meron to, kasama to sa Harlem Shake video.
Bago to. Bago.
Starring Kobe, Saya.
Maseryoso
Wache.
to, maseryoso.
They do the Harlem Shake.
Con los terroristas. El